MOU signed between Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council and AMDCL in presence of Mines and Minerals Minister on 2nd September to begin mining at KAL. Assam government appoints guardian ministers for all districts on 2nd September. Foundation stone laid at Phuloni to construct new market on 2nd September. Welcome to Karbi Anglong Live Morning News with Julie Baby. On 2nd September, in a meeting chaired by Dr. Tuliram Ronghang, CEM of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, a Memorandum of Understanding MOU was signed between the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council and Assam Mineral Development Corporation Limited at Dipu to begin mining works at Karbi Anglong and West Karbi Anglong districts. We often heard in stories about the myth of undiscovered wealth concealed within the soils of Karbi Hills. Well, in today's time, those myths tend to turn into reality. Because Karbi Anglong is blessed with valuable natural resources like coal, silica, granite, limestone, sillimanite, iron, vanadium, titanium, china clay, and many more. Hence, to utilize those resources and generate awesome revenues from it, Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council and Assam Mineral Development Corporation Limited had signed a Memorandum of Understanding MOU on 2nd September at Arboretum Craft Center, Dipu, in presence of Nandita Gorlosa, Minister of Mines and Minerals, Power, etc. Here is the list of all the areas where mining would be conducted under the administration of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council. Coal would be extracted from Silveta, Koilajan, Plurdung, Amlokhi, Desobai, Dhantaghat, Silonijan, and Laldera, Nepali Basti. Limestone would be extracted from Dilai, Silveta, Koilajan, and Woterang Langso areas of Karbi Anglong. Sillimanite would be extracted from Chupi Langso and Samilangso region. Granite would be extracted from Mahamaya, Center Bajar, Dhelughat, and Silonijan region. China clay would be extracted out from Upper Deopani, Silveta, and Silonijan region. Dr. Tuliram Ronghang, while speaking to us, informed that the revenue generated from the mining would be shared in 60 to 40% stake with the shareholder as per the agreement signed. And the revenue generated from mining would boost the overall development in Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council. Minings would be done in such a way that there is no loss of flora and fauna's habitat and ensure no ecosystem is hampered. Vida Singh Engling, MLA, Dorsing Ronghang, MLA, EMs, MSs, shareholders, and many important dignitaries were present during the ceremonial signing of MOU. News Desk report for Karbi Anglong Live. The Assam government on Friday had appointed ministers who would act as guardian minister for different districts across the state. This appointment were made by Governor of Assam in an official notification issued on 2nd September. The guardians, each a minister of Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sharma's cabinet, have been given responsibility of 2-3 districts to take stock of welfare schemes, implementation of infrastructure projects, etc. They will be responsible for the administration in the districts under their charge, but they won't be involved directly with the people that particular districts. Governor of Assam appointed the following cabinet of ministers as the guardian minister for the following districts. Here is the name of the cabinet minister along with their respective districts. Atul Bora was appointed as the guardian minister for Kamrup Metro and North Lakhimpur districts. Ranjit Kumar Das as the guardian minister for Bongaigaon, Dibrugarh and Tinsukia district. Piyush Hajarika as the guardian minister for Sonitpur, Biswanath and Karimganj districts. Keshav Mahanta as the guardian minister for Morigaon, Golaghat and South Salmara Mankachar districts. Parimal Suklabaidya as the guardian minister for Nagaon, Hojai and Jorhat districts. Ajanta Neok as the guardian minister for Jorhat and Nalbari district. Ronosh Pegu as the Guardian Minister for Sivasagar, Majuli and Barpeta District. Ashok Singhal as the Guardian Minister for Kokrajhar, Golpara and Kachar District. Jayanta Malabarwa as the Guardian Minister for Kachar, Dhubri and Hailakandi District. Chandra Mohan Patwari as the Guardian Minister for Kamrup and Darang District. Jogan Mohan as the Guardian Minister for Karbi Anglong, West Karbi Anglong and Dima Hasao District. Nandita Gorlasa as the Guardian Minister for Baksa and Bajali District. Urkha Gwara Brahma as the Guardian Minister for Chirang and Tamulpur District, and Sanjay Kisan as the Guardian Minister for Dhemaji District. Karbi Anglong District has 4 elected MLAs, yet no one could make their name into the list of Guardian Ministers appointed by the Government of Assam, ordered by the Governor of Assam on Friday. News Desk report for Karbi Anglong Live. To benefit the vendors and shopkeepers of the region, Phuloni is all set to welcome new market in the following days. On 2nd September, Dorsing Ronghang MLA and Kangbura Kiling, EM of KAC, laid a foundation stone for construction of new market building at Phuloni under Phuloni constituency. It was reported that Phuloni market is a 60-year-old market and no any developmental project for upgradation of the new market building was done since the establishment. But this time around, with the laying of foundation stone for construction of new market building by the government, the citizens of Phuloni expressed their happiness with joy. Dorsing Ronghang, MLA, while speaking to us, informed that Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council had allocated rupees 50 lakhs for the new market building. It is expected to be completed within the next 3-4 months, and it would be handed over to the Centre Phuloni Town Committee. Many projects and schemes under the town and country planning would also allocate to upgrade the Phuloni market.
The Phuloni market complex, 50 lakhs market complex, room Krihini Dui. So along Ipini Sompono, the Clojoni on Hamangbo, Baso Hem, Patang Pen, Center Phuloni Labaso Town Committee of Panabang to Henawarpo, the weekly market, Labaso Hematame, non Clojon Bakilo to that. By whom we get from Green Back, I am not the weekly market, and non long let hop mom, a dim scene to weekly market on the kilo, and Abarim, a weekly market bank, C2C put out of the long lip of playing and CTC.
Dear Jonarong, please report from Phuloni, Karbi Anglong Live. Thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live. Have a great day.